In this video, I'm going to show you what I believe is the easiest way to source products for Amazon FBA in 2024 with a smaller budget, and I'm even going to show you exactly how you can source these products so you can start making profit as soon as possible. I've been selling on Amazon since 2021, and I have seen firsthand over the years how Amazon has changed, what is and isn't working now, and the best way to source products, in my opinion, has changed as well. A few years back, the easiest way to find products would be heading into your local stores and buying clearance items, and whilst this still does work, I now believe there is an easier and safer way to get started, and you don't even need to leave your house to do this. Now, what I'm talking about is A2A sourcing or Amazon to Amazon sourcing, and this is where we buy products from Amazon when they reduce the price and then sell them back on Amazon at the retail price. Now, this may not make sense to you if you've not heard of this before, but just like any other retailer, Amazon does run clearance sales, and they also match other retailers when they are running a sale too. Now, as sellers, that gives us a lot of opportunity to profit, and the best thing about this is you don't have to search for the deals yourself, and you can be notified when these deals are happening. So all you have to do is buy the products, wait for them to be delivered, relabel them, and then send them back into Amazon. Now, of course, you still have to learn how Amazon works, how to analyze products, get ungated and do shipments, etc., etc. But the one thing that will determine if you're going to be successful with Amazon is what products you're actually purchasing to sell and where you are purchasing these products from. So what I'm going to do now is show you two methods that you can use to find these deals, and the first one is by being a part of my Amazon FBA group. We have been posting A2A leads for our members for over 2 years now, and we have built our own in-house software that finds the best deals that no one else is finding. Now, if you want to join the group, I will leave a link in the description with a discount code, but I'm actually going to show you a couple of the deals that we found recently that you could have bought to resell on Amazon and made a lot of money. So the first product I want to show you is this Makita drill set that was posted into the group. This price was reduced on Amazon to £94, which is almost 50% from its average price. If we actually look at this product on Amazon now, put in our cost price, we can see that right now, if we sold one of these drills, we would make £42 profit per unit. So let's imagine you bought 10 of these. That's a profit of £420 just from one purchase, and all you had to do was click a button and purchase these products directly from Amazon. Now, of course, you still had to prep these products, send them into Amazon, and there will be some costs for your boxes, labels, tape, shipping, etc. But if that cost you £50 and it took you 4 hours to do, you could have still made a potential profit of £370 just from that one purchase. At this moment in time, I think A2A is the best and safest method to source products for Amazon right now, especially if you are a beginner. You get an invoice for every single order, which means if you get any complaints about your product, you can submit an invoice to Amazon from a product you've actually bought from their platform, and this gives you a lot of cover when it comes to things like authenticity claims and section 3s. So before we look at another product that was posted in my Amazon group, there is a few things you need to know when it comes to Amazon sourcing. Sometimes Amazon can reduce the price of a product and the price stay low for longer periods of time, which is not what we want. If a price has been reduced for say 2 days, there is a higher chance lots more sellers have bought that product, which is going to create more competition on Amazon. Amazon may also stay at that lower price for weeks, if not months. Now, if you buy a product and the price does stay low, you can cancel the order before it's dispatched or even return it to Amazon if you have to. Now, it's not ideal to return loads of products to Amazon, so what I do is keep an eye on the price, and if it stays low for multiple hours, I will cancel it before it's even been dispatched. And remember, the best A2As will go out of stock within minutes, so you do have to be quick. Another thing you need to do is make sure you're not buying these products from a normal Amazon account with Prime Delivery, as this is against Amazon's terms and conditions. Instead, what you want to do is create an Amazon business account and buy your products with that account so you're not breaching any of their terms. So let's look at another A2A lead, and what I want to show you is this Honeywell thermostat. This was reduced down to £31 from an average selling price of £52, and if we look at this product on Amazon now, we can see we could make a potential profit of £15 per unit if we sold at the current selling price, and again, all we had to do was click the link and purchase these products. Now, the final products I'm going to show you is these Makita batteries that got posted into the group, reduced down to £70 from an average price of £128. If we look at these products on Amazon right now, we could see that we could make a potential profit of £29 per unit if we had bought this product. Now, that's just 3 examples of A2A products that got posted into the group within 5 days of each other, and if you had bought 5 each of those items, that's a potential profit of over £400. Now, if that isn't one of the easiest ways to source products for Amazon FBA right now, then I don't know what is, and that is just 3 examples out of hundreds of A2As that get posted every single month into my group, and it's also a great way to avoid buying products that get swamped with tons of sellers, as we are the only group that posts some of these leads, so it's not being shared with thousands of different sellers. Now, there is another way to find these products, and that is by using a tool called Keeper. This is a very good tool tool that has tons of features, but it also has a deals feature built in that you can use to find your own A2As. All you have to do is go to keeper.com/deals and play around with some of these settings. I like to choose Amazon here, adjust the drop range to 30% or more, change the limit drop interval to day, and here you can see all the products that matches that criteria. You can exclude some categories at the top like I have, and then it's just a case of checking over these products and buying any that you fancy. The only downside to this is you do have to be actively looking and refreshing the page to catch some of the best deals, and some of them will be out of stock within minutes. But that's going to wrap this video up. If you're not doing any A2A sourcing yet, I definitely recommend giving it a go, as there's a lot of money to be made of it right now. And if you want to join my Amazon group, I shall leave the link below this video, and you can use code HUSTLE to get 20% off your first month. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.